the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got one from Japan. I've got a Yakisoba from Acecook. It's got fish eggs. I guess the last one that I thought had fish eggs was this one. This is a Shio. We'll see. We shall see. I think maybe they both have fish eggs. Oh no, this is Mochichi. That's right. I can't remember exactly what that's going on about, but we'll give it a try. Let's. You all right out there, Mimi? That I'm not liking. She's been coughing a lot lately, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm guessing that's a direct result of all the smoke in the air. And there's been, I mean, it's, yeah, so. Darn forest fires. We'll see what happens. Hopefully things will chill out. What? God. What a mess. What a mess I've made. I've made a mess. Well, what can I do? Except for read a quote. The wonderful book, Momofuku Endo Speaks. Number 36. I am the founding president of the company. I make my own decisions and take full responsibility for them. He's the captain of the ship, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. With great power comes great responsibility. Number 379. That's a quote from me. I said that. Yeah, sure. What is that? What the heck is that on my pot? Oh, that's from the last one. There we go. There we go. Yeah, just hazy, crummy, smoky. Smoke. That's really all I'm going to be talking about lately. That and the fact that I just I feel like all my spare time and time I have to do this and do this for you is about to be taken piece by piece by piece for a great experiment in distance learning that is going to fail miserably for the entire childhood of everyone in the U.S. So I'm really not happy with that. It's not, I mean, hey, it's not the teacher's fault, and they're working their butts off. They're trying to come up with ways that'll engage students and keep things going, but Miles is sitting there making faces at himself and sticking his tongue out because it's on a Zoom meeting and they want to be able to see him, so you got to have the camera on. You turn off the camera, then he just gets mad. He wants to be able to see his face and make faces at it. And then he'll just start messing with the screen and flipping it this way and that way. It's like if he had something like, what is it called, IXL or ABC Mouse, he'd probably be getting more out of that than what he's getting right now. But, I mean, yeah. It is what it is. Ugh, I hate saying that. But it is what it is, and hopefully we'll find a groove. It's only the 4th week. there is our stuffins. You guys heard of this Doc McStuffins? My daughter loves this Doc McStuffins thing. I don't know really what it is, except it's... I think you can buy that. The one I like, that they really like is, oddly enough, I'm a real big fan of the Bubble Guppies. I think that's rad. They make such nice music for us to listen to. They like that. They like Peppa Pig. I like Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig is hella funny. So here's our powder base. This all smells just like a Benito infused massacre. I don't know. Alright. Let's give this a stir. See if it satisfies. Wonder whatever happened to that guy. I was on a Japanese TV show some years ago, and it was a Western guy. I think he was from Oregon. A guy named Lee. And the show was God of Patena. And his big tagline is he would freak out and have a fit, and he would scream, "Shibai Toroga! Shibai Toroga! Shibai Toroga!" But, yeah. He wouldn't explain things, because I think a lot of the things that they used in terminology for that was basically stuff that's just like, I don't know. Cheers. It's a little gelatinous. Might be the Mochichi. The Mochicho. Yeah. I am not sold on that product, sir. I don't see any reason to go forward with the development of this product. No, it will. You're fired. No. Yes, you are fired. I run the ship. See, it doesn't always work out right. This one, personally, the ship is getting scuttled right now. Man, I really hope that would kind of like go uniformly. There's really nothing here. Look at this. It's like, give me a little something to play with. But there really isn't much of anything. I'm just going to do it straight across this time. Whoa. Oh, this one's worthless. These eggs came out like crap this time. What's the deal? Time for another egg. Overcooked to the max. I wonder why. try this one. Maybe the eggs are just bad. Oh, they're the Safeway eggs. Oh, yeah. Get in there. You know what I think the deal is? There's too much stuff in the fridge right now. And it's just getting to too low of a temperature. And it's just like beating up those poor eggs. That's probably the deal. So I guess I'm gonna have to eat everything in the refrigerator. Oh boy. It's time to eat everything in the refrigerator. Oh boy, it's time. Who doesn't love to have some refrigerated food? Oh yeah. Yummy, yummy refrigerated food. Right? Am I wrong? Isn't there a Dean Martin song about refrigerated foods, frozen foods? Frozen foods are for me. Na, 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 I enjoy the frozen foods just like any other. Yeah, I don't know. No, I am not drunk. Not this early in the day. Not this early in the week. I got lots of junk to do. I'm gonna be trying to do a lot of reviews over the next week or two. Like a lot. Because once her school starts, I really don't know how much I'll be able to do anymore. And that is gonna be hard. I really wish I hadn't used these spring onions because they're so freaking dark. They look horrible. That's the problem with Shio Yakisoba. They should just not make it because there's just no way to make it look nice. At least, not that I know of. If you know how to make Shio Yakisoba look beautiful, drop me a freaking line. Save me. Here's some Laugan Ma. I don't know. This is just going to become a kitchen sink monstrosity at this point. As far as the noodle itself goes, I'm really not impressed. I like gummy noodles, but these noodles are like weird gummy. There you go. Now it's like after 2 o'clock and I have like all this stuff to do to get these posts all done. It really blows. There you go. That is that, and this has been me, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Do you do what you do all the time? Do it.
Do it later.